destruction. The planet Tabian is struck by a meteor in the deepest parts of the galaxy. But what's this? The incredibly useful exploits of duct tape enthusiast Flimbo Ducton are able to hold the planet together, preventing annihilation. The success of his duct tape fixture ushers in a new era for the people of Tabian, one that revolutionizes architecture, agriculture, and even arts and crafts. Now, reveling in the amazement of this incredible super material, Tabian wishes to spread its duct tape culture with the rest of the galaxy.
Greetings, Earth children, and welcome to Planet Tabian. I'm your host, Flimbo Ducton. And today, I'm celebrating one of Tabian's oldest holidays. It's Letter Day. You see, as a result of Tabian's incredible rapid technological development over the past 200 years, the citizens of the planet felt that there should be a day where we honor more primitive methods of communication. And while all current methods of communication on Tabian are telepathic and instantaneous, we still find it fun to write letters to our loved ones on such an occasion. Well, then it's finally time for me to write my first letter of Letter Day season. I feel like you Earthlings should be able to get in on the fun. So I wanted to show you the proper procedure for making your very own Letter Day duct tape rose pen. Get out your favorite color of duct tape and tear off a strip that is around a square size. It doesn't have to be perfect. Next, take that edge and fold it across the square, making sure to leave room for these sticky parts here. Next, grab this edge here and fold it over. Now you have your duct tape pedal. Next, you're going to want to grab the cap of the pen you plan on decorating and applying your duct tape pedal to it. Keep adding petals until the rose is as large as you'd like. And then, once it's at a good size, you can take a bit of duct tape and measure it out. And then you can make sure to cover up the bottom and keep the pen looking very nice. Once you've completed this, and if you've completed all of these steps, you'll have your very own duct tape Letter Day pen. Now, you'll be able to celebrate with all of the people on Tabian. After all, I have been told that, psychologically speaking, writing a letter does make a message much more personal. They just take a ridiculously long amount of time to send, and you have to lick them or something. Oh well. This is Flimbo Ducton, signing off. Tapu, tapu.